Good morning. I just woke up, trying to get ready right now, like relatively fast, because it looks like the storm's not coming in now until like later tonight. We have a little bit of snow, but not much at all. So I was originally planning on heading to Reno, and I think I'm gonna still follow through with that just because of the little amount of snow we have. I also kind of want to go to Trader Joe's and get something before the storm really hits there. But the reason I had plans to go to Reno on Sunday, other than to see my boyfriend and maybe help with the camper a little bit, it was I have a friend coming in that's traveling in her camper with her partner, and she's in her camper with her 2 Border Collies and their 7 puppies. And I might be getting one of those puppies. I made a nice little veggie omelet. And also I found this strawberry vegan cream cheese. I'm so excited to try it. Alright, so I'm ready. I'm gonna go clear off my car and then get out of here. I made it down my hill okay, and there was no sliding. And I'm pretty proud of myself, and I'm stoked, I'm honestly stoked that they didn't plow the roads completely, because it's just, yeah, it's a lot, honestly, seems less slippery when the roads are like this versus just untouched, just a thin layer of snow. Whenever it's packed, it's kind of just, yeah, it just seems to be more grippy. So we started adding the new flooring. If you could have someone do any part of your camper, would it have been this?
Oh
yeah. Over any other part?
She just fucking paid someone to do it. Honestly, the material that I've used, it's probably cost me more money to do it myself.
Okay, so we're just cleaning up before Isabel and her partner come over with their camper, and we're gonna show them what we've been working on with the camper and meet the puppies, so it's gonna be super exciting.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with this heater, babe.
Well, we'll just
leave it there.
I feel like it's not something that needs to be worried about yet. You know?
Yeah.
It's really not. You're gonna need to
the right way. Yeah.
It is?
There you go.
And that's it? Sturdy. Crooked.
Huh?
No?
Not really.
Touch of Christmas.
You should have brought your little fucking string lights.
Oh yeah. I have one in my car. I got ordered to put the Christmas lights somewhere else because they look trashy. It's a camper. It goes with it. The aesthetic.
I want to take this thing out.
What do you think of the Christmas lights now that I did them your way?
Better.
They're better?
Yeah.
Christmas spirit in here. Anthony's not been in the best cheery of moods.
Oh my god.
Wait, so that one's not working, or did you just
Sick.
What?
It's working.
Oh.
Sick.
Soon we will be able to cook meals in here.
See if it gets up to 140.
Is there like a thermostat in there that you can tell?
It turns it off, but there is a thermostat in there.
Oh.
It turns it off on its own when it knows.
Is it just like a giant flame? Okay, I just saw the puppies, and they're the cutest things ever. May or may not be getting a puppy myself in the next couple of months.
I want to sleep all the time.
Yeah, little big butts. Yeah, they're gonna be little fatsies.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's a. Oh yeah. It's like, I have Zena's birthing of them.
Oh my goodness.
Coming out. He was, man.
Look at him get back there. He's just like, I want warm.
And there's a door on the other side if you want to like open it.
I'm a little nervous. It's kind of really warm here. It's 46 degrees, but it's starting to rain, and I'm just hoping it doesn't turn into freezing rain. It looks pretty gnarly right now, honestly. We have snow! Look how beautiful Truckee is at night. It is so magical. Yay! I'm almost home. I decided to take the downtown route because there's going to be chain control for miles on the highway. Well, this got bad fast. I also, on the highway, almost ran into a rock slide, so that was fun. I just made it back. That honestly sucked so bad. Yeah, it sucked. But overall, I made it home. I'm safe. I'm not going to be driving my car for the next couple of days. Something's definitely wrong with it. It doesn't feel like four-wheel drive is working. So that's not good when we're getting 4 feet of snow.